How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A53. Well, I've got this device for around 34,000 Indian rupees and it is actually the base variant, which is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. In this video, I will be doing a quick unboxing of this phone and I will also be sharing my first impressions. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Guys, let's aim for 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Now inside the box we get very few things. First you get the phone itself and then we have got the charging cable along with some paperwork. We don't get any other stuff. Samsung has removed the charger and we don't get any case as well. I seriously don't like how Samsung removed the charger even from the mid-range phones and now you have to purchase it separately, which doesn't make any sense. Honestly, I really don't like the unboxing experience as we don't get many things inside the box. Now let's talk about the phone itself. I got this in black color and it looks very similar to the Galaxy A52 that we had last year. Once again we got the same plastic back and when you hold this phone, it does feel cheap in the hands. I feel Samsung did nothing when it comes to the design and they have just kept the same old design that we had in Galaxy A52 and the A52s. Now let's go ahead and set up this device. While setting up a Samsung device, instead of selecting this option that says agree to all, I will recommend you to uncheck the last two boxes that are optional and then click on continue. Now you can just go ahead and set up your device. Finally, it will ask you whether you want to install some additional applications. Instead of installing all the unnecessary applications, you can simply install the apps that you actually want. Setting up a Samsung device is quite tricky and a lot of us accept all the terms and conditions which doesn't require. So you have to be a bit careful while setting up this phone. Finally, we are done with this setup and now let's go ahead and uninstall all the bloatwares that you get inside this phone. The first thing that I usually notice in a smartphone is the size of these bezels. Again, it looks very similar to what we had in the Galaxy A52 and Samsung did not reduce the size of the bezels, which is not a great thing. But in this price range, it is completely fine. Now let's talk about the display. This phone comes with 120Hz AMOLED display and honestly this display looks great. You can definitely feel the difference between a normal 60Hz and 120Hz panel. Trust me, once you start using a device with 120Hz refresh rate, it is very difficult to go back to 60Hz. Next, let's take a look at the software. If I go to about device, you see it comes with Android 12 and we have got the latest One UI 4.1. When it comes to software, I think Samsung phones are really good. Now they even offers 4 years of software updates and 5 years of security patches, which is absolutely a great thing. So the Galaxy A53 comes with Android 12 and you are going to get Android 13, 14, 15 and even the Android 16 on this phone. No other Android phone can give software updates like Samsung. Apart from this, Galaxy A53 comes with the Exynos processor, which is the Exynos 1280 and we have got the 6 or 8GB of RAM. I know a lot of you still prefer Snapdragon processor, but the benchmark scores are looking great and the scores are much better than the Galaxy A52. I will be testing out this device and share my final thoughts in the full review. The fingerprint scanner on the A53 remains in the same position on the screen and there is a slight delay to unlock, but it works fine. The best part about the Galaxy A53 is you get IP67 water and dust resistance, so you don't have to worry if you accidentally drop this phone in water. But sadly this time the headphone jack is gone and I don't think anyone will appreciate that. The camera configuration of the A53 looks like the same as the A52. It is the 64 megapixel quad camera setup with OAS and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. We don't have 8K recording, but this phone can support up to 4K 30fps. Since I have just got my phone, I have to test the cameras and I will be sharing some camera samples in the full review, so stay tuned for that. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. I think the Galaxy A53 looks promising and guys, if you have any doubts or questions regarding this device, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to cover that in my full review. A lot of Galaxy A53 videos will be coming on this channel. I will be making a tips and tricks video and then I will also be comparing this with other phones like the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So stay tuned for that. That's it for this video. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.